Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. Today I'm sharing just a tip or two. I'm going to show you how to color your Flowering Foils Specialty Designer Series paper that's in the Celebration Catalog, our brochure, the second one, 2020. Okay, so I've got two different ones here. This one was colored with a sponge dauber, with Blushing Bride and Soft Sea Foam, and then I fussy cut that out. This one was colored with Granny Apple Green and Coastal Cabana, and we used a sponge brayer. So I'm going to show you first how to do this one. So I'm going to pick up my Soft Sea Foam, and I've already got one out, cut out already, ready for this. So I'm just going to add some ink and then just go in a circular motion on those leaves. While I'm coloring this. So my new series is just a tip or two. Feel free to let me know if there's any tips you want me to cover, okay? I'm gonna get that Soft Sea Foam ink off of there, and now I'm gonna take the Blushing Bride, and I'm gonna add the dark in the middle, and then I'm gonna take half that ink off, and then just lightly color the rest of it. Okay, so here's the one we just did, and here's my original. Very pretty, isn't it? Okay, so now for this one. We're going to open up our Granny Apple Green, and we're going to go this. Don't go back and forth. You want to go like this, and you want to start on your paper, okay? On your grid paper, I should say. Whoops, come back here. Okay, that's pretty good. You guys know I like softer colors. This is Coastal Cabana, and I'm going to do the same thing. So just brush up, and I'm going to start on the opposite side. Again, I'm starting off of the paper and lightly brushing that across. Okay, now we want to cover up that line there. So what I'm going to do is go back to the Granny Apple Green, and I'm just going to kind of blend it in. What do you think? There's still a little bit of a line there. That looks pretty good, right? And if you want to add more blue, you can always get the Coastal Cabana back out and go over it again. In fact, let's do that real quick for just a second. Yeah, bring in some more blue. Okay, what do you think? Okay, that wraps up this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more of these, and feel free to send me a suggestion of what tip you'd like to see in the future. Have a great day. Thank you.